great day for a stroll in the park.
Do you see that cat and dog over there?
Oh wow. Yeah, let's steer clear of them.
Agreed. If they get a hold of us, they will tear our stuffing right out. And I am at my perfect level of fluff.
You two worry way too much. Those animals don't see us. And if they do, you have a space ranger and his trusty sidekick, the sheriff, to protect you. Oh, potato heads, ye beware! The Squid Pirate is here, and me pirate ship will search the land to gobble up potato heads and disassemble them to find any treasure ye be hiding from me. Avengers, we need your help. The Squid Pirate is taking all the potato heads in town to disassemble them so he can take any treasures they have. We were at the park and saw his pirate ship take Woody, Buzz, Bunny, and Ducky. We are such huge fans of theirs. I was just about to ask them if they wanted to play fetch with us. Then the ship came out of nowhere and took them. Thanks for coming to us. We can handle this treasure-hungry pirate. Okay, team, let's head out to the park. Arg! Who ye be?
We be the Avengers. Earth my superheroes.
Nice try, kid. Okay, Octopus Arms, it's time to go. Not before I take all ye treasures. Squawk! All ye treasures! Sharky, attack! Squawk! Sharky, attack! Sharky, attack!
You know match for us. Whip.
Get out of here, fish breath.
You may have won this time, Avengers, but this isn't the last you'll hear of me, Squid Pirate, and my trusty sidekick, Petey the Parrot. Petey, let's leave. Squawk, leaving now. Now that we have taken care of the Squid Pirate, let's put our friends back together. Come on. Sheriff Woody, let's help you out first. Now let's see here. It looks like we have some hats, arms, and legs. Woody, a sheriff wears a cowboy hat, right?
Yes, I don't go anywhere without my twisted cowboy hat.
All right, let's get that on you first.
My sword has the color yellow on it.
Excellent. This is yellow, so it must be yours.
Man, these have wings, and the back has tail feathers.
Woody, those are my wings and tail feathers. Please take those off and give them back to me. Sorry about that, Woody and Ducky. I was focusing on the color and forgot to look at the details.
That's alright, Black Widow. On the front of my sword has the service pads.
Here it is, Woody. Almost back together. Now let's get you two sorted out. All right, I think the last piece is going to be your legs. Woody, what do your legs look like?
I wear blue pants and tall cowboy boots. They look like blue pants.
Those are blue. Let's take a closer look. Now, the sheriff said that he wears tall cowboy boots.
Oh, these don't have boots, but they do have a cute fluffy tail.
Stop looking at my cute fluffy tail, Spider-Man. Those are my legs.
Oh, Bunny, that makes sense. Here you go, I found your arms too.
Thanks, Spidey.
Here you go, Sheriff Woody. I found your legs with the blue pants and tall cowboy boots.
Thanks, superheroes. Yeehaw!
Here you go, Bunny and Ducky. I'm pretty sure these go to you guys. All right, Buzz, I think all the pieces that are left go to you. Thanks so much for waiting. Thanks so much, Miss Widow. Great job, Black Widow. Now it looks like I'm ready to go to infinity and beyond!
Wow, what a day. Thanks, Avengers, for putting us all back together.
Thanks for watching It's Toy Time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Now get out there and play!